Hello, we are back. Day 6 of saving the FTMO account. Doing a video log of my trading sessions. We'll keep this short, under 15 minutes. In anticipation of US market open in 1 minute, 2 seconds. There we go. Let's see what it does. The volume is pretty low throughout the entire day compared to last week. We had a nice run, opened with a huge gap actually, so there was some crazy trading over the weekend for those that can trade. After a run, we have a bit of a consolidation here going on. The block size is 17-18 pips, pretty much like this one here. Yeah, usually we are looking around 18. Let's see here, 17, 16, 17. It's pretty much the same. These were a little bit smaller. Well, maybe if we had used the entire block. Yes, it's okay, we are learning here. So this should sort of be sort of like this, I guess. Maybe not. And then this guy maybe like this. Yeah. Okay. So let's say this is a new contraction point here. So now the only thing we can do is wait for the expansion legs. We have one, sort of, barely broke the contraction, so nothing special is happening here. We'll just have to wait and see. We have a very nice gap. Let me just mark this with a rectangle here. Beautiful gap between 2 days. Just like I said in the previous video, we had a small gap here and said if this would hold, which it did, we might be looking at a new run. This big gap confirmed this, so I expect it to run. Hopefully it will go down a little bit, so maybe I can add to the position. And yeah, let's see if we can get a run like this. 10 days. So this is 4 days so far. Let's see what this week does. As for the stop loss, I am now on break even. Yeah, this will probably go down at least to here. So stop loss is at break even, waiting just below the previous contraction. We are waiting for this framework to develop and see where it prints the order blocks down below, or whether it will just continue. If it continues, the stop loss will go here under the previous contraction once it prints a new contraction here. If it goes below and prints another one and then starts doing what it does, we'll just have to wait and then decide where the stop loss goes. This trade was in the red for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So pretty much the entire week. Yes, I opened on the previous Friday. So here, and then the entire week we were sitting below the entry price. Now we are finally break even, and let's see what it does this week. That's it for the US500. Yeah, look at this. New York Open, barely any volume. This is ridiculous, actually. I don't know if maybe it's because it's Monday, I don't know. Let's see US30. Yeah, nothing. Looks like Wall Street is on vacation. Yeah, okay. Gold. Gold is very interesting. It's cheap. Spread is 0.6. Swaps are 0.4. So smaller than the spread, which means I can hold positions for very long. But I really don't know what gold is doing. This is weekly. We have a huge drop because the rally started back in here 2025, 17th of August 25, and then there was a beautiful run. Imagine those people who opened a one lot trade and then lived to see this P&L. 180,000 euro. But anyway, let's not dream with our eyes open. Daily. This is manipulation. Look at this. This is just crazy. What is gold doing? I have no idea how to view this. Okay, let's try and find. Oh, okay, now I see. So we have a huge run, and then we have the contraction point here on the daily. One expansion leg. So let's see. This is 351. Once it broke 330, and then we have the entire new block is 681. Yeah, it should have, the projection would have been 681, whatever. Here it got barely half, 300 and 400 something for the second leg, expansion leg. And now we are consolidating below this contraction. It looks as if it's dropping, right? It's a lower low, lower high, lower low. I don't know. Nothing. I don't. Nothing to do here, I guess. Let's see on the. On the 30-minute. We have a run, and then we have a contraction. This one or this one. I guess this one. Expansion leg 1. 16, 26, 26. So the order block size was respected. 28. Yeah, almost. But it's still very choppy. We do have this huge gap, which might mean it wants to go up, but you never know. It might actually just drop all the way to here, sweep liquidity, and then shoot. I don't know what to do with this. It's unclear. It's so choppy. Something else maybe. Euro USD. It's pretty much the same as gold. Let's see, what is it doing? Oh, huge consolidation probably on the monthly. Yeah, it's a contraction point on the monthly. On the daily, run, and then contraction. Here we have one leg, so let's say this is sort of like 71, 70, and then we have 130. Oh, it didn't respect the 130 projection, which might be an indication that we want to go back to consolidation, to the contraction point. And here there's a run, okay, invisible run, obviously, because there's a gap. And then we have a contraction point. It's just basically chopping up. Nothing to see. Move along, sir, nothing to see. Yeah. Okay. Nothing special. Back to US500. It's doing its own thing. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it here. Nothing to do. I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, take care.